Okay, we're going to make a magic circle. Excuse my nails, that's not what we're here for. So I'm going to start, I said a magic circle, we're going to make a granny square. I start with a magic circle. Move this out the way. If you don't like to use the magic circle, you can do a chain 4 and then slip stitch into the first chain and then work everything into the circle. But I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to place 2 more double crochets into the circle, followed by a chain 1. That's your first double chain 2 counts as the first double crochet. Then you got 2 and 3. So 3 double crochets equals a cluster, and then you're going to follow by a chain 1. So now we're going to put another cluster in, which is 3 double crochets, followed by a chain 1. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochets, followed by a chain 1, and 1 more cluster, which is a 3 double crochets. And you're also going to follow it with chain 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters. So now I'm going to pull the short string to close my circle. You want to pull it tight because you want to pull it tight without breaking the yarn, because I have broke the yarn several times, because you want to close that hole up. So in the top of that first stitch, that first post, you want to slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet. Now you're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, and you're going to slip stitch into that chain 1 space, because you need to get back to the chain 1 space. We're going to chain up 3. Some people chain up 2. I prefer 3. Move some of this yarn out the way. So once you chain up 3, you're going to go back. This is going to be your first double crochet, and you're going to go back into this same space with 2 more double crochets to finish off that cluster. You're going to chain 1. Now you're going to place another cluster in this same space, because what you're doing now is you're creating a corner. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now I only place chains between clusters in the corner. So now you're going to go over to this next chain 1 space, and you're going to place a cluster, which is 3 double crochet into that space. Chain 1 and another cluster into that same space. Corner. Go over to the next chain 1 space, double crochet, double crochet, and double crochet, followed by a chain 1 and 3 more double crochets, which is a cluster into that same space. Next space, cluster, chain 1, and another cluster. So now you're back around to your chain 3. That top stitch right here, you're going to slip stitch into the top of that. See, now you got your square. So keep in mind, you got to get back to this corner. So you're going to slip stitch into the next crochet, slip stitch into the chain 1 space, and now you're back in that corner. So you're going to chain up 3, Then you're going to add 2 more double crochets to that same space. You're going to chain 1 because you're creating another corner, another cluster into that same space. So the difference in this, you creating a corner. Now the difference in this round is you have sides now. So you got your corner, you got your side, and you got your another corner. Between, in the sides, I do not put a chain 1. The only place I put a chain 1 is between those clusters in the corners. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to yarn over and place a cluster in the side. So that's 3 double crochet in the side. Back to the corner. I'm going to create another corner. So it's going to be a cluster. I don't know why my daughter making all that noise. Chain 1 and another cluster. I've created another corner. Now I'm back I'm on the other side. On another side. Place a cluster. Back to a corner. Cluster. Chain 1 and another cluster. Now we on the side, which is a cluster. Now we at the other corner, cluster, chain 1, cluster. Now we on the last side. You're going to create a cluster.
My hands are full.
Now we're back at the beginning. You're at that chain 3. You're going to slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. Chain up 3. And we have created this square. This is a granny square. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep going in that same pattern. Slip stitch till you get to this corner. Create a corner in here by doing a cluster, chain 1 and a cluster. And as you can see, when you get to this side, you have 2 spaces. You got this space and you got this space. You're going to place a cluster here and then a cluster here. Do not chain 1 in between. Cluster here, then you got a corner. Cluster here, corner. Cluster here, corner. Cluster here, join with a slip stitch and start over. And that is, you'll go around just like that in the same manner, in the same way, until your square is as big as you want it. As you can see on this one, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds on this square. It's just the bigger you get, the more clusters you will put on the sides. That's it. So you just keep going around as big as you want the square. Hope this helps.